Did you know there are several healing properties to having cinnamon on a daily basis? Stay tuned to learn about them and how to use cinnamon to improve your overall health. What are the types of cinnamon? There are several types of cinnamon, but the most common ones you'll encounter are Ceylon and Cassia. Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka and southern India. It has a lighter color and a sweeter, more delicate flavor. It's considered superior in quality due to its low coumarin content. Cassia cinnamon. This is the most commonly available cinnamon in supermarkets. It has a stronger flavor and a darker color. Cassia cinnamon comes from the Cinnamomum cassia tree, native to China. Saigon cinnamon. Also known as Vietnamese cinnamon, it has a bold, spicy flavor and higher oil content, making it more pungent. Corantia cinnamon. Popular in the United States, this type has a smooth, mellow flavor and is often used in commercial baking. Which is the best type of cinnamon to take every day? For daily consumption, Ceylon cinnamon is the best choice. It contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can create some problems when taken in large amounts. Ceylon cinnamon is safer for regular use and still offers a host of health benefits. What are the amazing healing properties of cinnamon? Cinnamon is more than just a flavoring agent. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. 1. Antioxidant properties. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. The spice has potent anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce inflammation throughout the body and potentially lowering the risk of disease. 3. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels and improve sensitivity to insulin, making it beneficial for managing type 2 diabetes. 4. Heart health. It can reduce levels of total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides while maintaining stable HDL cholesterol levels. These effects contribute to better heart health. 5. Neuroprotective properties. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by inhibiting the buildup of tau protein in the brain. To leverage these benefits, incorporate Ceylon cinnamon into your daily diet. You can sprinkle it on your yogurt, add it to smoothies, or use it in your cooking. How to prepare cinnamon for optimal absorption. To maximize the absorption of cinnamon's beneficial compounds. Cinnamon tea. Boil a cup of water, add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, let it steep for 10 minutes, and then enjoy. Adding a bit of honey can enhance the flavor and absorption. Combine a teaspoon of cinnamon with a teaspoon of honey. Consuming this mixture on an empty stomach can enhance its benefits. Golden milk. Mix a teaspoon of cinnamon with a cup of warm milk, could be dairy or plant-based, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a teaspoon of turmeric for an extra health boost. Yogurt. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon to your morning yogurt or kefir for a delicious and healthful start to your day. What are other benefits of cinnamon? In addition to its primary health benefits, cinnamon also boosts immune function. Its antimicrobial properties help fight off bacteria and viruses. Aids in digestion. Cinnamon can soothe digestive discomfort, reduce gas, and improve digestion. Improves skin health. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear up skin issues like acne and rashes. Weight loss aid. By improving metabolism and controlling blood sugar levels, cinnamon can assist in weight management. Side effects and how to avoid them. While cinnamon is generally safe, excessive consumption, particularly of cassia cinnamon, can lead to adverse effects due to its high coumarin content, which may cause liver damage. To avoid side effects, choose Ceylon cinnamon. Stick to Ceylon cinnamon, especially for regular use. Moderation is key. Limit your intake to about 1 teaspoon, meaning 2 to 4 grams per day. Monitor health conditions. If you have liver disease or are taking medication that affects the liver, consult your doctor before adding large amounts of cinnamon to your diet. Are there any cinnamon supplements? Yes, cinnamon supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, extracts, and essential oils. These supplements can be beneficial for those who want to ensure consistent intake of cinnamon's health benefits without the hassle of daily preparation. However, it's important to choose high-quality supplements. Look for supplements that specify they use Ceylon cinnamon and are free from additives and fillers. Consult with your healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. seek advice from a healthcare provider. Follow dosage recommendations. Stick to the recommended dosage to avoid potential side effects. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, cinnamon is a widely used spice derived from the inner bark of trees belonging to the genus Cinnamomum. Renowned for its sweet, warm flavor, cinnamon has been a staple in culinary traditions and traditional medicine for centuries. This spice offers more than just a delightful taste, it's packed with numerous health benefits. There are several types of cinnamon, each with distinct characteristics. Ceylon cinnamon, known as true cinnamon. It is considered superior due to its low coumarin content, making it safer for regular consumption. Cassia cinnamon. The most commonly available type in supermarkets, cassia has a stronger flavor and darker color. Saigon cinnamon, also known as Vietnamese cinnamon. Corantia cinnamon, popular in the United States, this type offers a smooth, mellow flavor and is frequently used in commercial baking. For daily consumption, Ceylon cinnamon is the best choice due to its lower coumarin content, reducing the risk of potential adverse effects associated with high coumarin intake. Ceylon cinnamon offers a range of health benefits while being safe for regular use. We also discussed cinnamon as a powerhouse of health benefits. Antioxidant properties. Loaded with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols, cinnamon helps protect the cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Anti-inflammatory effects. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially lowering the risk of various diseases. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for managing type 2 diabetes. Heart health. It helps reduce levels of total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides while maintaining stable HDL cholesterol levels, contributing to better heart health. Neuroprotective properties. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by inhibiting the buildup of tau protein in the brain. Also, you can maximize the absorption of cinnamon's beneficial compounds. Beyond its primary health benefits, cinnamon also provides with better immune function. Its antimicrobial properties help fight off bacteria and viruses. Aids in digestion. Cinnamon can soothe digestive discomfort, reduce gas, and improve overall digestion. Improves skin health. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear up skin issues like acne and rashes. Supports weight loss. By improving metabolism and controlling blood sugar levels, cinnamon can assist in weight management. While generally safe, excessive consumption, particularly of cassia cinnamon, can lead to adverse effects due to its high coumarin content, which may cause liver damage. Plus, cinnamon supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, extracts, and essential oils. These supplements can ensure consistent intake of cinnamon's health benefits without the hassle of daily preparation. Choose high-quality supplements. Consult your head healthcare professional first. Follow dosage recommendations. At last, cinnamon is more than just a spice. It's a natural remedy with a myriad of health benefits. By choosing the right type and incorporating it wisely into your diet, you can harness its full potential for your well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.